Mālō LELEI. From Tonga, the friendly island kingdom, to the world, original vibes. Where we going? Tonga! Tonga! What we bring, my fana? While we play my ukulele, come to Tonga and say Mālō LELEI. Morning sun, the ocean blue, royal palace shining into view. Come and see my Tonga free, strumming, singing with my ukulele mana. Mālō LELEI, come and see Haʻapai, ʻEua and Vavaʻu, where blue waters lie. The Niuas shining under island skies. Watch the mighty whales leap before your eyes. Hear the island calling, people say Mālō LELEI. Nuku'alofa, sunset by the sea. Every island sings in harmony. My ukulele mana sing for me. Tonga song by the shining sea. Happy melody, wild and free. Welcome to our friendly isles. Hey, hey, Tonga, Mālō taulava. Come dance with my ukulele mana. Dance beneath the coconut tree. Tonga calls you home to paradise. Under coconut and heilala trees, dance with me and feel the beat. Let your worries fade away. Tonga calls where time begins each day. Taste ota ikalusipi at the feast. Laughter rising from west to east. Feel the ofa with puakatunu. Ngatu designs and tauʻolunga too. Hear the island calling, people say Mālō LELEI. Nuku'alofa, sunset by the sea. Every island sings in harmony. My ukulele mana sing for me. Tonga song by the shining sea. Happy melody, wild and free. Welcome to our friendly isles. My ukulele mana play tonight. Under stars and moonlight bright. Everyone dancing, feeling free. Happiness in Tonga by the sea. Tonga, the friendly island kingdom. Come dance, come sing with my ukulele mana. From Tonga, the friendly island kingdom, to the world, original vibes.